Exercise 7.1, sum number 7. The ratio of the radii of two right circular cones of same height 1 is to 3. Ratio of the radii of two right circular cone, that is ratio is given for radii 1 is to 3. Find the ratio of their curved surface area when the height of the each cone is 3 times the radius of the smaller cone is given. So listen, in sum number 7 we are having two cones. So what is given here? Ratio of their radii is 1 is to 3. That is, here radius 1 means, that is radius r equal to 1. See here cone 1, this is cone 1, cone 2. Here 1 means here ratio 3. That is, here what I taken for 1 equal to x, 3 times only ratio is given. Not 3 centimeter, 1 centimeter, ratio is given. So, R1 equal to x for this one, x centimeter, R2 equal to 3x centimeter. We don't know how many centimeter we are having. Ratio 1 is to 3 ratio. This is 2 centimeter means this is ratio, 3 times is bigger. Right? That is ratio is given. Ratio R1 is 1 means R2 is what? Cone 2 radius is what? 3 times is greater. That is the meaning here. So R1 equal to I take x means R2 equal to 3x. Then here we need to find the ratio of their height. H1 ratio H2 only we need to find. Right? Then height of the cone is 3 times the radius of the smaller cone. Height of the cone is 3 times the radius of the smaller cone. Suppose this is smaller cone, radius 1 means 1 is the ratio. So here 3x I written means here also 3x. That is they are given. Height of the cone is 3 times the radius of the smaller cone. For both the cone they are given height is same comparing to the smaller cone. So when you are taking 3 times means radius 1 is given here. Right? So radius here 1 means 3 times 3x. Radius here x is taken, so this is 3x. So what we are having height, the same height for the second cone also. That is given. So h1 equal to 3x, h2 equal to also 3x. That is given question. So finally, for all the sum we need to draw the diagram, then only we can find how we have to find the solution, what formula we need to apply, what we need to find, that and all we can find easily. So diagram is very very important for the mensuration. So by the given data, comparing this cone, radius is 3 times better, 3 times greater. That is the question here. So here radius r equal to x, here radius r equal to 3x, 3 times. And then height of each cone is 3 times of the smaller cone, 3 times radius of the smaller cone. So radius x means here 3x. The same height will be here also they are given. So for each cone 1, cone 2, height will be same, but the radius will be differ. Right? For example, structure 1 cone radius like this. The radius 1 means second cone the radius will be 3, but height will be same. Surface area will be differ. Either 1 time, this is 3 times better than cone. Right. So what we need to find? Height of the h1 ratio h2. Right. So listen. Curved surface area of a cone 1 equal to pi r L. L equal to what here? We don't know what is L. So L square equal to h square plus r square. Right? So h square, h is what here? 3x 3x whole square plus r equal to x square. X is there, x square. So I put root here, right? So listen, L equal to root of 3x square plus x square, because h equal to what here? 3x. So h square, 3x whole square. R equal to what? X. So x square. So 3 square means 9, x square means x square plus x square. 9x square plus x square, 10x square. So we take root means root 10 for x square, x. The root will be cancelled for this square. So L equal to root of 10x. Again I say, so they are given the two cones. This cone 1 is radius x, means the cone 2 radius is 3 times is greater. So x, r equal to x, r equal to 3x. And then height is what is given, means comparing to the smaller cone, 3 times its height will be greater. So here x means here 3x. The same height will be in the second cone also. We need to find h and r are given. We need to find the CSA of the cone, ratio of the curved surface area of the each cone, because the radius will be different, height will be same. So we need to find which cone is greater. That is, we need to find the ratio of their each cone, right? So CSA of a cone means pi r L. We need to find the pi r L. So L we don't know. X, R and H only we know the data. So L we need means we have to find the L square. That is, we need to find the L means L square equal to H square plus R square. Now we find L, right? So then here you put the identity L1 R1, right? L1 H1 R1, because I written R1 H1. Now I find the L for 2 for second cone. Root of H2 square plus R2 square. H square means what? Same thing, 3x square, that is 9x square. Straight I written. R square means that also same, plus 9x square, because R equal to 3x. R square means 9x square. 9x square, 18x square. Root of 18x square is what? This 18 I separate into 9 into 2 into x square. For 9, root 9 means 3. X square means root and square will be cancelled. X we are getting. So instead we are root having. So 3 root x. 3 root x. Clear? So we need to find the ratio of this cone. Then we have to find the ratio of their curved surface area. So ratio means CSA, curved surface area 1. Curved surface area of a cone 1 is to, simply you write CSA cone 1 ratio CSA of a cone 2 ratio we need to find, right? Or this one we need to find a, so pi r L ratio pi r L, R1 L1, R2 L2. Now ratio means always how you write? By CSA 1 by CSA 2. Pi means what? Pi, R equal to what? R is x. So x, L1 is what? root 10 x by pi into r equal to what? 3x into L2 equal to what? 3 root x, right? This is L2. So this step no need to write in the examination. This is for only for the reference. You want to find. So ratio means we need to write what? How we have to write? By CSA of ratio cone 1 and cone 2 means by CSA of 1 and by 2. Pi will be cancelled. For this x will be cancelled. Here also x will be cancelled. 3 into 3 root 10 root 10 by 3 into 3 9 root 2 9 root 2, then this root 10 I written root 5 into root 2 by 9 root 2 will be cancelled. The answer will be root 5 by 9 root 5 by 9. So CSA of 1 CSA of 2 equal to root 5 by 9. So this one I write. This is CSA of 1 by CSA of 2 root 5 by 9. Then how we have to write? They need to find the ratio of their CSA of a cone. Ratio means CSA 1 is to CSA 2. I written ratio. This equal to root 5 is to 9. This is the ratio of their CSA of 1 and the CSA of 2. Thank you.